The fifth product on this list is the Westinghouse WPX3400. Are you sick and tired of looking at your dirty chairs, fence, porch, or driveways? Or do you want something softer to wash your vehicle with? Well, this product can fix that for you with its excellently designed water pressure. The Westinghouse WPX3400 works best with driveways or hard surfaces. The Westinghouse does work on more delicate surfaces, but you'll need to change the settings so the water pressure doesn't cut through them. Furthermore, this goes for your hands and feet as well. Take extra precaution to not spray yourself or someone else with this thing when it is on the higher settings. This particular pressure washer uses a gas engine rather than electricity. This makes it more portable in some ways and more suited to commercial environments. Even so, that doesn't mean it's not ideal for home use as well. You will particularly like the soap nozzle, which is designed for washing cars. This will ensure you don't accidentally damage your vehicle. The Westinghouse WPX3400 can reach a PSI of 3400, so this thing can pack a punch. You'll be able to easily clean your driveways or fences with this thing. Each nozzle provides a different use to be sure to use the correct one for the job. Its pros are, its powerful gas engine will give you up to 3400 PSI for an easier time for extreme cleaning. Its adjustment options and soap nozzle makes cleaning vehicles much easier, and you can clean a variety of surfaces due to the many different nozzles for different jobs. However, the user manual needs work because it can be difficult to understand. The Westinghouse WPX3400 is very powerful and has a variety of nozzles, making it ideal for a range of tasks.